Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. Welcome back to uh, fully implementing the steel industries. We're gonna do a couple of tricks with our movement of factories, I guess. Let's try to remove this. I'm gonna leave these guys to be removed if they can. Can they be removed by vehicles? Doesn't matter, it's only a few items. Let me see if we can go and let's go and copy this right here. Moving blast furnaces. Is this the thing that we would like to do? I think yes. Let's try this. Okay, this is gonna cost only 15. Wow. Only 15 materials. Yeah, this would be one of the first things we would have to do. A lot of this other stuff will definitely not fit here anymore. So I'm just gonna remove this. We're gonna remove this one as well. I think... yeah, let's just do this. Everything that I know that we're not gonna be able to move, I'm just gonna demolish. I'm gonna let our vehicles do the voodoo that they do so well and move all of this stuff. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna just copy paste this one more time. I don't have this blueprint, to be honest, but I'm gonna say straight away that we have a problem here. Okay, is it really that tight? I thought it was more space. I thought when I was moving something around I actually had more space. That's not a problem. This pollution here is only 24. This chimney can handle 60. This is very easy. We're just gonna remove the chimney here and place the chimney over here. Smokestack, smokestack. Do we want a big chimney? I could have gone with big chimney as well. I love saying chimney. I don't even know where the word comes from. I need to Google that. Chimney good, chimney great. There we go. So they're gonna be able to handle this, even though maybe I should have gone already with reprocessing of the pollution, or at least stockpiling it in a single point. But hey ho. Right, so we have the this thing over here. So I'm gonna go and copy paste the this bad boy, and that's it. And we have a water problem. Water. There we go. Let's remove this water. And then at least to here, I'm gonna go and... oh no, I did it. Okay. I'm gonna go and reconnect this water. It's just gonna be one higher. There we go. That's it. And we need to go for the lower level. That's gonna be iron delivery here. And then we're gonna have the coal delivery here. Perfect. Okay, there we go. That would be... why are you complaining? Waiting for products. Yeah, that's fine. You're gonna get products soon enough. I'm gonna give you products. No, I won't. You're gonna get it by conveyor belt system. You're gonna go this here. Molten channel. We're gonna go and copy paste the U-shaped elevator, and let's build all of this. Boom. There we go. Now this is already connected. We have only missing thing is the oxygen. I think I don't know, man. Is this really how it's supposed to be? I think probably it is, I guess. Okay, so this is going to have to be this way, all the way down. That's it. And then let's go here. Boom. That's it. That's gonna be the second oxygen one. Oxygen 36. We need 18 in for each. So one of these is gonna be enough for two of those. Okay, this looks like it's a nice step forward, I guess. We have two steel mills producing. They don't have anywhere to deliver this. Okay, so this is where the problems come in. We actually were supposed to move this one level over, and that's gonna be very annoying. Okay, I'm gonna skip moving this one over, but definitely I'm gonna be removing this, and let's remove that. And from here, I will be copying... Let's copy this one, rotate it like this, and boom, movement. Oh, right, I need to press shift. So copy this, shift and click here, and then upgrade it. Oh, good, because that was a metal caster, and this is a cooled caster. Oh my god, I just did the wrong thing. Yeah, of course I did. This is not where the water goes. Water doesn't go there. That's where the oxygen goes. Oxygen is a red pipe over here. I just need to click on a proper part. Boom. Okay. There we go. That's it, and we need to connect the water now to the other side. Welcome to the other side. There we go. That's it. Yeah, this one is very much in a wrong place, unfortunately. Can we do fat connector here? I can. Yeah, this is gonna be just a I hope this is just gonna be rotating this. We'll see. Well, okay. What about this and this? Ah, there we go. Just rotate it twice and it disappeared, the connector here. Okay, and oh no, even this is not aligned now. Should I be moving this? Maybe I should. I wanted to say before we start producing this, but it's already started. Let's get it like this. I'm gonna move this. We're gonna move this. I am going to move this, so we're gonna copy this. We're just gonna put it here. Boom. We have some waste. We created some waste, but I think we can still salvage most of it. Okay, please don't disappear this pipe. That's fine. There we go. Okay, so then I didn't have to do this. Darn. I want to do it again. I know this is waste of materials, and I don't care, but I want this to be then equal on all sides. Oh, shoot. Copy this one and place it here. That's gonna rotate the entrances for the... Oh my god, it won't. Oh, please be... Johnny, be good. I think it is, actually. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna just build... Yeah... fine. This is just temporary solution anyway. For the... I'm thinking about the smokestacks and exhaust that we have here. I don't like... Ooh, missing parts. What's happening here? Okay, what do you have? You have a problem with what? Concrete? Oh, this is paused. Yeah, we can unpause this easily. Please continue. I'll address that later. For now, I need this. We need the... Yeah, let's do the speed. Let's run through this. Oh, I love coffee. Okay, so we have the... this one is now perfectly aligned. I'm probably gonna mess with the... is this going to be okay now? Because, nah, I think when we moved it, we lost the products here. This is also not aligned anymore, so I'm gonna have to... Let's just demolish this and this. Okay, and then we're gonna copy you. 1 over. Was this one really 1 over as well? I think yes. Okay, let's try it. Oh, we don't have enough materials. Yeah, we're gonna have shortly. We started producing again, so that's fine. We still don't have enough steel. Yeah, that's gonna be important to get this one up and running. Oh, come on. You can do it. Come on, get into storage. There we go. Oh, shoot. Did they take it already? Was there a sneaky son of a gun who was waiting to take it there? I mean, we have 15 now. I guess we can just go for it. Yeah, this is gonna be roughed up a bit. I don't like this. I will have to remove this, and no. This and this. Okay, they're removing it manually. I want it this way. I don't care. Oh, come on, man. Just remove it already. U-shaped lift, rotate twice, F, and then click, click. Okay, U-shaped lift here. There we go. And there we go. And we're missing this one now. That's perfect. You can go. We can demolish you. Remove you. We're missing a little bit piece over here. And then let's copy this one. Okay, what's happening here? Waiting for products. That would be oxygen. That's fine. We're gonna connect oxygen from here. Is that one looking good? No. I want it this way. Okay, output is also gonna have to be connected. That's fine. And cooled caster should be connected on the other side. Yeah, that should be it. Please be correct now. Oh, right. We forgot the chimney smokestack. Okay, we're gonna remove this one. Use Unity. Build this one with Unity. Okay, so this now, I'm expecting that this is gonna start producing double the steel, so 24 steel. We only need 12 over here, it's already full. Everything else here, we're gonna need 12 for this one, plus whatever it's left over. So for all of this, we're gonna need the 24, which we have at the moment. Not a big deal. I can go and continue building these. Which direction I want to go for? We need a lot. We need these, right? So if I do this and then upgrade this one to this, it's gonna save some materials, I think. I hope so. I don't know. Maybe it didn't. Maybe it did. And then remove some of these. We're gonna go for fat conveyor. That's good enough. And from here, we're gonna have to have a couple of other things. Let's copy this one. Okay. I could just copy-paste the whole setup, but yeah, I think I should do that. I love this game so much, I'm probably gonna be playing it more in the future, not less. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What the hell is happening here? Okay, yeah, guys, can we get back on track here? Can we start doing this, please? Oh, that wasn't even marked. Now it's marked. Yeah, all of this is gonna have to be marked. Let's remove this. Okay. All of this is good. I see wherever I see iron, I'm gonna just go after it. I think this is gonna be the last layer I'm gonna be actively taking from here, because I think this should. Damn it! This looks like it's not going to be. It's 2 layers down. We'll see. I'll see. I'll see. I was thinking of... I thought that this maybe is going to be enough, but maybe it won't. We'll see. Okay, so this is the max we can supply with this. I don't even know why I built this caster, because it can't work. We need more better... better conveyor belts. They're just on the way now. Okay, let's make sure that we are producing everything else here. So these red parts, they need steel. I need to move all of these conveyor belts closer to that direction. So what I was supposed to do here is supply all of this with more steel. For now, looks like it's not getting... right, iron is flowing now. Let's just wait for this to be resolved. High supply of rock. That is definitely not a good thing. I'm building this here, and looks like it's all done. So let's go and build more rock here in every direction. This is kind of going to be the base level. This is also, we're discussing this on Discord, on Reddit. I'm discussing it. Is this is fine, yeah. We can, no, that's fine. Let's leave it like this. This is what I put on my +1 level. You put either rocks or dirt. This is what I do. Only those two things. Not slag, not trash. Now bear with me. Trash or waste. Sorry, I call it trash. Waste is too ugly for me. It's just that the colors are too ugly. I don't like this anywhere, and I don't want to even have it anywhere. I would rather take a penalty of double pollution, because once you dump it somewhere, it generates pollution. After time, it stops generating pollution. So if you have waste, the most efficient way is just bury it somewhere and forget about it. I don't want to do that. I'm waiting for this to be for a burner, and they just burn it all. I could try to wait for when I have the exhaust scrubbers, and then not to create any pollution for the second time, but just dumping it in a hole in a sea, covering it over with the rocks or soil and forgetting about it, that's probably the simplest, the easiest, the smartest way of doing this. But you know me, I'm not really that smart, so I decide to punish myself by actually wanting to take care of this waste. The second thing is the slag. Slag is this one here. I like to take care of slag. Let's see, this is, if we continue on this level, this is going to be a little bit different. If I continue on this level, this is going to spread up to here. I think we are kind of at the highest level in this direction that I'm willing to go. We can go in every which way here on this height. This is what I'm thinking about. So something like this, we can do it. Well, let's try it this way. That's going to be a lot of slag as well. And I like to stockpile waste and slag, and then slag is going to be traded for sour water, which is going to be kind of shortly, I guess. Sour water stripper, yeah, that's gonna be a big one. How are we doing with dinosaur juice here? We have 3,000 left. I think soon enough we're gonna need, yeah, we're gonna need a lot of stuff. I forgot where the sulfur processing. I forgot where the other refinery is, other stage refinery. I know that I never looked at this, but ooh, recycling, long trains. Yeah, it definitely seems like we are supposed to be somewhere close to the second stage refinery. Thermal storage pipe, power generation, housing, advanced smelting, rotary kiln gas, reforming and cracking, recycling. Oh, here we go. Naphtha processing. That's the one. This is the third stage distillation. It is kind of further away, but well, we'll get there eventually. So at least for a foreseeable future, this is going to be the way we're going to be processing. Dinosaur juice. We need to make sure that we have the decent supply. Notifications are here. What? What the hell is this? Under 75%, buddy boy. Well, it should be 50%, but let him warn me. Low supply of coal. Absolutely. You are free to remove this. I know how they're gonna remove this. I'm gonna leave this for a few more moments. I'm not removing this because I can actually transport it here or just send it here. For now, I'm gonna leave it like... Oh! There we go. Slag not working again. Oh my god, Oolykee is never gonna learn here. Okay, so what's the plan? The plan is to get this steel up and running fully. It looks like slag is the biggest problem at the moment. We have slags set up there. We have slag now clearing the blast furnaces, so they're gonna take this slag away. Vehicles are also, I think, after conveyor belts, the next thing to research, so we're going to be able to upgrade vehicles. I'm not sure if I'm going to need, for bigger vehicles, the yellow parts. I know that we need the white parts for something. I think it's for tree harvesters, they're never going to change, yeah. And then, whoa, when hydrogen comes along, that's going to be the jackpot. Oh, amphibious vehicles. Hydrogen vehicles, come on, where are you? Here we go, hydrogen cells. This is a jackpot for me, I love hydrogen. Okay. Iron is being taken care of. Did I overdo the iron? No, no. I'm doing exactly what I wanted to do to continue clearing this. Let's see. This is now cleared. I will have to go one layer down, and I'm gonna go like this. I think I want to go like this. Clear this and clear this. And I'm gonna go and lower this part from here one level down and continue clearing iron ore from here just to prepare my my farming setup here. This is just a little bit something different, something that put them out of the current current business that I have. So I'm perfectly happy with that. We can continue clearing from here as well. So let's see. Like this, like this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's just do it this way. Oh, it's this one as well. Yeah, they can just continue clearing this. Okay, so how are we doing here? Steel is flowing. That's perfectly fine. I should probably... it looks a little bit fugly, but soon enough we're gonna start recycling this. The amount of material delivered here, again, the maximum is 30, so we can't get any more blast furnaces until we get conveyor belts, which we are working on. This is also going in the right direction. I'm happy about that. The maintenance is going up. Maintenance statistics, they're consuming, looks here, over 220, but I think... Nah, I want to say... No, maybe it is that we really need this. So if we need over one of these... No, we have 24. This is going to be more than enough for everything. They're just going to restock very slowly here, and then you can see that there's backlog of materials here for research. I cannot think that it's gonna be enough. Let's see. Is it stockpiling here? I think it might. So. I think it's for now perfect amount. Happy with that. I'm happy with that. Let's make sure that all of this is working 100%. It's working 100%. Do we have coal? We have coal. I have no idea why this is not being delivered anywhere. I can easily remove it like this and then this. Yeah, okay, I'll do it. Obviously, I've done it. Okay, and this is already in a wrong direction, in a wrong place. It tells you a lot about how I do things around here. So this is bad. There we go. Okay, low food supply. That's a new one. Do we need anything here? Let's see. Last harvest. Due to lack of 35%. Oh, right. Oh, we still don't have the next level fertilization. That would be... Actually, it was supposed to be here, but we're missing... Yeah, I'm gonna... ore sorting plant, blocked output. Okay, we have a dirt problem. Let's try to resolve the dirt problem here. Okay. Come on, empty the dirt. Do we have enough of this? We do. Build back better, bigger, something. Okay, let's move now this to 200. That's fine. This one as well is gonna have to go to 200. That's perfect. So we have more capacity. They can start processing, continue processing iron ore. Perfect. We're digging here. Do we need a ramp? Oh, no. What the hell did I do here? Okay, well, I did bad stuff here. Okay, just to continue in the same manner, I'm gonna go and do this. Okay. There we go. Something like this, so we're gonna have access to this area from this side as well. Yeah, they can do that. They can do that. Do I want to play with this? They're gonna go in that direction when they're done with this. Okay, let's go. Food supply disappeared and appeared. Blocked to the full output. It's working. Oh, do I have rotation? Crop rotation. I should have crop rotation here and here and here. Last harvest, 35%, 35%, 35%. They're all the same. Oh, sure, whatever. We can't influence this right now, so I'm happy with that. Okay, yeah, coffee time. I'm thinking about the fertilizer setup. We're gonna need chemical plants and stuff, but initially maybe we can even skip a couple of steps of this organic fertilizer. I mean, like, even organic fertilizer is fine. I don't have any problems with that. What's with recycling? Recycling is there. I still want to finish clearing up all of this. Oh, right. Let's go and deal with search. We can't, and we can. There we go. We can. Low supply of iron ore, that would be this one, right? Yes. High supply of dirt, that's being taken care of. Blocked to full output. Yeah, they still need to process all of this. Did I redirect them? Yes, I did, but not for all of them. Let's do... I cannot do this because they are... I cannot put this as dump it here because they need to take it out of here, so... Oh, and then this notification, if it's gonna be notify over 75%, because 50% and where the marker is, it's too close to each other, so that's perfectly fine. Low supply of iron ore. Let's see if we can do this. This is under 50%, and this needs to be under 25%. We still need more iron ore though, but at least we are breaking through here, so they're gonna be able to pass from one side to the other. A lot of dirt. Come on. Get the iron. We need the iron. Yeah, it's lovely. It's amazing just seeing them work. Currently they're so busy. But yeah, they need to get into good stuff, iron, then it's gonna be much better. Okay. Low supply iron ore, steel is full here. This is exactly what we needed. And this is what I was following here. This is now filling up more. In my book, that means that it's getting busy, that we are supplying more than these guys can process. So, yeah, I mean, it's kind of obvious we are... Well, they're processing... yeah, it's kind of obvious that it is. Okay, I'm happy with that. What about the vehicles? So we can push in that direction as well. Oh, we have an excavator. I don't remember what I needed that one for. Let's get a couple of vehicles, just while we are at it. Ship in a battle. Oh my god, only one ship with 1,000. Oh, we're gonna be target practice, buddy boy. We're barely gonna have to repaint the ship. How good we're gonna be. Yeah. Waiting for products. What are you complaining? A low supply of iron. Okay, it's not complaining anymore. Waiting for products. Yeah, it's empty. Okay, finally we have the dirt under control. So they're dumping all dirt over here. We will need a lot of dirt to cover this up, to cover our crimes, but not for now. I want them to start pushing in that direction. You can see that what I told them to mine is this area here. And they're gonna slowly level some of these irregular parts. And then they're gonna go and push this one. I need them to level this so I can make ramps and other stuff that I need. You can see here that we can already start dumping in some areas and cover up a lot of stuff that is that has no iron. Oh my god, why is this showing iron again? I don't know, it just doesn't look nice. Yeah, that's what I do around here, gardening, growing grass. I'm a grass hole. Grass, I said grass. Yeah, anyway. Iron ore is actually very low. I would like them to focus on more iron ore. It will be there, but it's gonna take a while. I can remove this as well, just to see what's below. Can remove all of it. We're definitely gonna go lower in this direction to get after this iron. You can see that there is actually quite few iron here. Apparently this is each level down, so technically we're supposed to continue digging from here in order to get to this iron. I'm not sure if this is how it works. This is apparently 4 below, or even more than 4 below, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 over here. I'm talking about this one in below, and this is even more, but this is what people told me. I am not smart enough to understand this myself, but seems a lot. Seems like, yo, there's only a little bit here. No, there's like 1.5 layer down. It's not even this layer. This is one layer between these thicker 2 parts. That's one layer, not one of these. I thought maybe it's one of these, but no. This is quite deep, a couple of layers below, which is, well, I think it's significant. Okay, low supply of diesel for a moment there. I need to inspect this. You need to tell me what's happening. Looks like we are processing the hell out of this diesel. We are burning a lot of it. I tried in previous series, I tried to store all of this, but yeah, it doesn't work. There's just too much of it. And we have a problem here with this. That's a steel thing. Okay, so we have a steel problem here. Let's resolve the conveyor belt problem. Conveyor belt conundrum. We have. Can we deliver somehow? Let me try to do it from here. I will have to deliver this just to keep processing the steel. I'm gonna do it this way. This needs to go below here because this is where we're gonna continue building our conveyor belt system. So let's say over here and then over here. I'm just gonna unity build this, boom and boom. This is enough for now, so at least we're gonna be supplying. Yeah. Let's pause this whole thing here. Only this one thing. Only concrete is gonna be enough. We're gonna have to redo the concrete setup here, so that's gonna be fine. They just need to consume this, and everything is gonna be fine. Once again, the world will make sense. Okay, almost done for the first segment. First segment done. So what we need to do here is we need to build a fat lift, also known as flat lift. Lower. The first level is perfectly fine, and we need to connect it to these. This is not processing. Why are you not processing? Oh, you need iron. Right, you need iron because reasons. And you need to. Okay, so let's cancel construction. So this guy is not consuming anything, but these guys are now producing the red parts, so that's gonna be done soon. Perfect. Okay, this is done, so I can remove this, and then what's gonna happen to this one? You know what, it's only a few construction parts. I'm being a cheapskate here, guys. This is just me being absolute I don't know, nincompoop or something. I will be pausing this for a second. Let them, please. Oh no, this is not gonna work. How do I need to, oh right, I can fix, yeah, I can fix this. This is not a problem. So we need the one layer down, flat lift. That's gonna be shift click click, shift click click. I think that's it. Okay, and then we need this one go all the way here, and this one go all the way here. Now let's see if we can build this. Unpause, 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 and so on and so on. Is this working? Oh. Unpause this. Oh, please. Oh, come on, man. I pressed unpause. God damn it. This game is pissing me off sometimes. Okay. Get this running. We need to remove the steel from here. Come on. Chop, chop. What about you? Can you be upgraded? Not yet. 32 out of 50. Soon. Soon. Can't stop the work. Oh, this is... oh, we can do this. We have a shish load of these. And these. And these. And these. And everything else is fine now. Okay, so consumed. What about this? Not yet. We can go like this though. So what we need to remove is this, and this, and all of this. Okay, and this one. Aha! I was faster, son of a gun. Suck it. Here, there's this one. Yes. Okay, let's unpause this now because it's not needed to be paused. And I want this to be tight. I will do it this way. I learned a new trick here. So if you do it this way and then you put a flat connector here, it's gonna replace the existing part with this one. And then if I do this way and this way, it's gonna be all good. Let's start with delivering. First things first. Boom! Steel. Incoming! 52. Boom! Let's upgrade this one, because this is now consuming iron and these materials, but we can't use this anymore. We need to use steel. And unfortunately, whatever iron was left here, it's now gone. We deleted it. Perfect. There we go. Done and dusted. Pickup is struggling to find destination. Okay, did I snooker myself here? I probably did. They're on top level here, and there's nothing else over there. So excavators will have to free them. It's only one excavator. We have... I wonder if I recycle you, do you lose cargo? I think not, right? Yeah, they don't lose cargo. That's perfectly fine. I can recycle these as well. Hopefully they're not gonna get stuck again. You know, one can only hope, but you never know with these guys. Okay, so let's do more gardening. Oolykee loves gardening. Not in real life, only here. There's no iron here, at least I cannot see any, so all of this can be covered. They need to clear that part, and gardening needs to continue over here. So let's see if we can do one level down over here. Let's see what's L. This is gonna be tricky. I think it's gonna be one more. I'm gonna go one more straight away, and then this is gonna be plus 16. Let's see how that's gonna look like. Remember, everything to here, even one more layer of the mountain needs to be removed and greened. I don't want to do like the last time in the last series. Location explored. Perfect. A lot of recycled copper. Okay, did you fix the ship? Auto repair. No. Iron. Seriously? Oh, don't do this to me, you bastard. I'm not getting iron. I mean, like, I know that I can trade it, but I don't want to do that. Can you repair yourself with steel? Oh, shit. I mean, yeah, we can do this, I guess. What do I need to do to get iron? I think there's a trade. Something to get iron. I don't even have... Oh, this is gonna be a problem. Ah, damn it. I don't want to do this. Why doesn't it repair with steel? Ah, shit. Okay, let me just see one more time. Trade, we have 3 villages, 1 to 3. You not giving me iron for anything. We have village here. You're not giving me iron for anything. None of this is iron. This is copper. They want iron for concrete here. Come on, give me iron. No iron. God damn it. I hate this game. I'm gonna have to build iron, I guess. How do I do this? Okay, I can cast iron. So let's do this. Just for sake of me swearing a bit more, let's go for caster. No, normal caster, and I think Fidel caster. And from here to here, there we go, you stupid bastard. And please don't do this. God damn it, I hate this. Yeah, whatever. It's gonna be some iron separated from here. That means less steel production, I guess. 56%, we're missing materials, that would be iron. Mine tower has no destinations. Coal is in decent quantities. Let's see the L. There is coal below, but not above. Clear. Let's clear 2 layers in this direction and 2 layers here. Okay. Okay, let's do it like this. Iron ore, food supply low, 8. Do we need to are we concerned about this? Maybe we should be. That's gonna consume more water, right? Probably, yeah. How much water are you consuming now? 29. This is 15% the less than... it should be 15% less than the previous one, because we have the edict for water conservation. Yep. I'm happy with that. Iron, is it being made? Yes, it is. You are useless. Go away. Don't like you anymore. Somebody disassemble. Somebody give this man a cookie. Okay, some iron is coming in this direction. Some iron is going there. It's a little bit less steel for the furnaces, I guess. But yeah, it is what it is. Ship fully repaired. You better be, you freak. Yeah, let's go further. I'm pretty sure this is out of range. This is the next one. Go there. Iron for repairs. We're steel. We're steel nation. Don't. I don't even know how to change it. I mean, it's obviously. I think it's as we upgrade the ship further might be the thing, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, further upgrade is here. I have no idea. We have some iron now being made here, and hopefully it's gonna be just backlogged when we don't need it, so it's gonna increase steel production as we go. Okay, what's the problem with this? We need steel, seriously, we need that much steel? Okay, I mean, to be honest, we're not getting that much of it, because I'm messing around with my gardening project. Oh dear god, I hate this game. It's still here, it's still there. I did everything I needed to. Why are you punishing me for this? I don't know. It's just pissing me off. Right, so... okay, let's go in this direction. They're almost done with this. I'm gonna just focus on a little bit bigger and better things. This is rock already. Still iron here. Yeah, it is what it is. Okay, coffee time. Yeah, so I'm loving this game. What are we missing here? Steel production is done. Construction here, we already did that. Conveyor belts, large vehicles. Okay, let's see what we have with large vehicles. Large vehicles say that we're gonna need larger storage areas. So let's the vehicle depots. So larger vehicle depots, 150 of these parts. I'm happy to announce that we are building this on pause. Okay, what did we get here? Location explored. A lot of recycled iron. Yay. What about this? Oh, we need to wait for ship to return. Yeah, deliver stuff here. We can start upgrading vehicles. I think you can do it here and then tell them to upgrade to bigger excavator. There is no compatible depot. Yeah, they need to build this depot first. Remove notifications. Large excavator. Sulfur reprocessing. Okay, let's do this. This is going to be a sour water setup that we're going to do here. Sour water setup is going to generate a lot of water. Let's do I want to speed through this? What am I doing here? What am I waiting? What's my goal here? We need to stockpile more of these construction parts. That means we need more steel. For more steel, we need more iron. I kind of sent all my excavators in this direction to start getting the clean iron. Well, that's a lie. I shouldn't be lying like that. I did it because I wanted to dig deeper over here, so yeah, I think... Oh no, don't do that, Oolykee. Come on. You're a serious person. You should be a serious person. You're a grown-up. Yeah, I know. People keep telling me. I just don't want to grow up. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to deal with this. Iron ore needs to be priority. Iron ore is priority now. How fast I want this doesn't matter. I'm gonna do catch up on the off screen. So let's go and focus on the sour water stripper. So this is the factory, the chemical plant that we're gonna be focusing on. We're gonna build it back to back or front to front, whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter. It both works. You're gonna need more or less 6 of these. Recipes are automatically selected. I don't think they even have separate recipes, and in my opinion, for like 10,000 people or so, we needed like 6 of them for the amount of steel we're producing and slag we're processing, all that stuff. This is how much we needed. Sour water is the most valuable thing in the game, so in my opinion, because out of that you get ammonia and you get sulfur, which you can't get anywhere else on the island. You can get it you can get ammonia by combining hydrogen and nitrogen, and that's it. No more, nowhere. If you have excess hydrogen, and then nitrogen is easy, that's actually the most wasted product because it's not needed for anything except this. So you can just dump it and convert it in ammonia, and you can just it's being created by separation here and ammonia into whatever. No, you're not gonna use this ever. Thus, the nitrogen is the most dumped material ever. So sour water stripper is the magic machine that gets you sulfur and ammonia. So ammonia, like I said, nothing gets you ammonia except the sour water stripper. You have some contracts, I think, that you can get ammonia, but you're gonna have to get rid of your sour water and you're gonna have to get rid of your slag. You trade slag for sour water. This is what we're gonna have to do now. Okay, so right. Understood. We need steam and sour water, and we get these 3 magnificent elements: drinkable water, ammonia, and sulfur. We're gonna need all of them. So like, for example, sulfur is gonna be straight away used for the rubber production. We already have now a recipe for acid everywhere. Acid, if we start mixing acid now, that copper production will increase by like 15% just because introducing acid into the mix. We have here, we're not gonna be making slag, but we're gonna be using diesel and sulfur to make rubber, because this recipe doesn't create pollution the way the coal does. So sulfur is amazing. Later on you're gonna need it for the fertilizers, and later on you're gonna need it for the tofu. So magnificent stuff. Rubber later on is going to be made out of ethanol. At least that's how I do it. So sulfur, amazing. The only way you can get sulfur, sour water stripper, scrubbing an exhaust scrubber from the dirty chimneys. And that's it, no more. You have sulfur mines and probably sulfur contract, but if you want to make it yourself, sour water. And so, learn. Well, learn how much I know, and then please teach me, because that's how it works here. We have sour water stripper. I'm gonna be removing all of this here, because I'm gonna focus on one of these, and then we can double it as many times as you want. So input of sour water or input of steam, choose whatever you want. Let's say that we're gonna have input of something here, and we're gonna have input of something else over here. So I will do it. I think the best thing would be just to set everything up on this level, and then just connect to this pipe, because when we scale this, it's gonna be much easier to just copy it, and then you need to reconnect these pipes, bear that in mind. But this is just like copying more and more. Okay, which one is which doesn't matter. We will need this. We can use the we can use heavy fuel steam. This is what usually you make it here, because both steam and sour water comes from these these areas. So sour water for us is on the outside of this green pipe. It's on the outside. We need to do something with it. So now I'm gonna totally separate all of this. We have a couple of overpasses. I know how to use underpasses, overpasses, and I'm intending to use them. The second thing, sour water. Luckily for us, we have 2 pipes that can go underneath this one. So we can just use all of this, cut it. Let's say that we're gonna put it here. Let's cut this a little bit shorter. And bear in mind that this is all already on proper heights. So if I even put this tighter all the way to this pipe, it's gonna perfectly work for us. So for example here, let me see, water, yeah, I should be doing it like this. The only thing I was looking at here is that I didn't, these pipes are too long, but I'm gonna be just realigning them from here all the way. We can even go all the way here. This is going to be input for one of the 2 things that we need. That's going to be either sour water or it's going to be steam. Again, really doesn't matter. Whatever you choose, whatever other side says that it's better, that's what it's going to be, because that's the best thing that it can be. We need to not forget to connect these pipes. They need to be connected to each other. Since they already have direction selected, that's a little bit easier for us. And then go on this side, and this is going to be a second one. Unfortunately, it goes only to here because of these diesel generators. And let's see where we're gonna do what we're gonna do with this. The problem here lies that we're gonna have to expand the refinery, but when you have the 3rd column or the 3rd distillation stage, because it's not gonna fit over here. So I'm thinking now, should I be doing this straight away? And the answer is absolutely yes. So what I'm gonna do now is build this over here. I think I'm gonna rotate it in this direction because water comes from here. So we can do it like this. And now the messy part is that I actually have this rotated in the wrong direction. To be honest, let's just try it again. If I copy paste this one and actually do it this way, this is F. I'm supposed to rotate it in this direction. If I go with the steam in this, with steam on this side, yeah, these pipes, water pipes, are just messed up here. I can just mess them. Diesel will have to stay, but everything else won't. So let's do it like this. This is going to be like this, and let's do it this way. Oh, coffee. This water as well, I'm gonna just let's remove it from here. Okay. Water. Build water, build fuel, copy paste chimney, shit, copy paste chimney, and build it. So we have everything built. We just need to direct steam where we want it to go. Steam goes in here. I'm actually, is this done? Waiting for products. Yes, that's done. This guy is out of job now. Okay, and you can be removed as well. So we have this steam pipe here, goes in this direction, and this is potentially sour water. Even now, looking at it, it doesn't really matter which side it's on. If I go for steam over here, I'm just gonna pause this for a second just to deliver fuel there. Can I do anything better with the pipes? Because this pipe is diesel and it's diesel here. So I need to go one level up for the sour water, because no more we're gonna be dumping the sour water in the ocean. Look at me sounding like American, in the sea. Okay. And let's dump. Did I remove it? Yes, I did. So let's go with steam from here, connecting it to there. Okay. Okay, it goes all the way on the first level. It's gonna have to go over this brown pipe. Oh boy, this looks horrible. Oh, connected. Oh wow. Okay, so looks like it's working out. Let's unpause this. I'm gonna build this because steam is gonna have to go out. Steam needs to go here. Sour water needs to go here. Sour water needs to... Whoa. What happened? Why we don't have materials? Why are you not building? Steel missing? Oh, I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy about this. Did I say that I'm not happy about this? I mean, like... is diesel going to be a problem? I could use bigger storages. Well, they're gonna be purple parts. Oh, that's gonna give me the white parts. Yeah, let's go and increase storages here. Still, this setup is not done. We need storages for ammonia and sulfur, and we need to connect water back into the system. And this water really needs to be, you know, taken care of. We need to consume this water or dump it in the ocean, but consuming it. I will build all the backstops and everything that we need. This is now working. This should be working. These storages are now... yeah, the same notification I need for this. So sour water is going in this direction. That's fine. Because the refinery, in my opinion, always looks like spaghetti. So just, you know, my 2 cents. Food-wise, we're down to 6. Looks like somebody's gonna get a new farm. This is 75 of these materials. That's fine with me. Yes, you have food rotation. That's fine. Okay, so sour water brought here. Brought to you by this pipe system. There we go. And I'm thinking that we might have a little bit of a problem here now with this steel. That I need to deliver more steel, build more steel. And this siren is pissing me off because I had to do it. Okay, let's send ship further. That's gonna spend more diesel and put more pressure on us. That's fine. We excel in pressure. I didn't check the messages, what we got from the locations, but what I'm looking for is wheat, and we still didn't get wheat. We need to find wheat in order to research these areas, these technologies. Yeah, unfortunately, well, it's not really unfortunately, we will make this. What is this? This is 50 of these parts. We have 78, so that's perfectly fine. I can construct these parts. Perfectly fine again. Okay, let's talk about the storages. So we're gonna have to have several storages. One of them is gonna be sulfur. This is one of those things where where you can just do whatever you think it's the best thing for you. I like to do loose cargoes, and whatever needs to be on flat ground, to be on flat ground. So my opinion about this is sulfur goes like this. Yoink, yoink, 1, 2, yoink, and yoink. Like this, like this, like this. Since we are only interested in the first one here, perfectly fine. The next thing that we need to store is the ammonia. Like I said, initially, I think we're gonna need bigger storages as soon as possible, because that's gonna be a lot of stuff. And ammonia is gonna be like this. Nope, go here. Go there. There we go. We have a lot of this. Large generators. We can do this, but we don't have to. And the most important thing is the water. We need to get rid of this water. Can we build this? We can build this. Sour water adult dancer is ready. Okay, last thing, like we said, water. This needs to go too high. That's gonna be the highest level. And go all the way here, and then this way. We will be making this like this, and this needs to have a balancer. This is absolute must. This must come in here first. Let's build it, and that's taking care of water. Waiting for products, steam. We're missing steam because this is not built, and that's the only thing that is missing. Okay, let's start. We are processing sour water. Do we have a sour water problem here? Not really. Maybe. Pipes are... Okay, now they're emptying, but we should be processing all of this now. Like I said, the biggest generation, in my opinion, is the water. Currently, this is producing, this can be producing. Bear in mind that we don't have a lot of heavy oil that we are burning through. So this generator might be replaced, might need to be replaced with something more efficient. That would be even light oil would be fine. But this now requires 3 steam here, 6 steam here, and 6 steam here. So that's 12 steam. That is now officially 1/4 of this. That means 1/4 of this is going to be burned. 1/4 of 36 is 89? 9? Is it 9? 9 and 9, 18? Yeah, it's 9. And we are producing 12. Okay, so we are only burning away 3 heavy fuel for now. If we put another one in operation, I think we can still sustain few of these. We have 12. We have up to 1/3 of this. 1/3 of this is 10 and 6. That's 16. So we can... what? 16, yeah, we have 16 steam. 16 steam we can sustain. We need 12 now. We can do one more sour water stripper with this amount of heavy fuel. Do we need that? I don't know. At the moment, we have sulfur, we have ammonia. Just scale this as much as possible. Bear in mind that pipes need to be increased eventually. This sour water, each one of these is delivering 18. After 3 refineries, you're gonna need more. Same thing with water, same thing with sulfur, with everything else. Just scale up as needed. But I'm gonna call it and say, okay, I'm done here. Sour water setup is done. In my opinion, pipes can be way better, and they should be way better. I will try to fix this. I promised this before. I didn't deliver, so expect failure on my part. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Why is this not working? Are we done with oil? Ha! We're done with oil. Okay, let's do quickly. Like this, and here, boom. And we don't have enough materials. Yeah, I'll fix this. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, have the description of the video. See you next one. Bye.